On today's episode of Come to Work With Me, I'm going to look at this door arm not sliding smoothly, whatever that entails. This door doesn't have a specific identifier. It's described as between this and that. There's no label on the door. If I need more, I can ask T35. Let's have a look-see. So there's 212 and there is washroom 201. So this is the unmarked door. Let's see how it's sliding or not. That's anticlimactic. Working perfectly fine, both sides. So let's see what we see here. Here is the track on top of the door. Here is the arm. I guess a little bit of WD-40 here. Why not? And a little bit of lube around this pivot point as well. And it's obvious on the closer arm that something rubs against it. I don't know if it's recent at all. Doesn't sound like anything rubbing there. Let's lube this one on the other side as well. Yeah, this closer arm is intact. One of these points are binding in the hinge, so that should be fairly easy to lube, but other than that, nothing needs fixing on this door. After a few turns, the hinge is deadly silent. Everything is working as it should. So it's a happy day. It's a no-fix fix. So I hooked up with T35 and explained that it's already been fixed. Somebody has fixed it. The doors are found to be fully functional. I don't know why this from May 27th, this work order is floating in my system and gets assigned to me in October, but it is what it is.